You can pull this tab out here. After that, you can put your palm in here and just push it in and pull down. It should go down. And the cam fit is behind here. You see how dirty this one is? And here's the new one. So this one said the air was facing upward, so make sure you push it upward. Some of them showing downward, it means that the air flows going down. But this one says facing up, so you do what they say, facing up. Because it's not saying airflow, it's saying air will up. So you put it up. She put this one back too. And that's it.